Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you have one with automatic transmission, you're trying to find where the relay for the automatic transmission is located because you have problems with your transmission or transmission not shifting. Stay with us, we'll explain where the relays are located. You may have up to two, how to test relay, and where to buy cheap relays from. All that will be covered in this video today guys. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. What we need to do now here, we need to open the hood on the Fiat. We specifically have an Abarth, but even if you have a different configuration, it will work as well. Before we start, let me just show you now. Right here is the car battery. That's the main fuse box. This is a relay. You have up to 3 different kinds of relays in your Fiat. We'll demonstrate, we have a special video that will teach you how to test a relay. I will put the link in the description of the video below. Another thing, if you need to buy cheap relays, I will share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy them from. Once you remove the bolt, you can put a fuse cover, okay, right here of that fuse box. You have one more fuse box that's hidden in the car, and we have a video that's called Where are the fuses and relay located on Fiat 500. It will teach you all about that. If you look now on the fuse box lid, you have numbers. In front of the numbers we have a T, that means it's a relay. If you have an F, that means it's a fuse. Now if you have automatic, you may have up to 2 relays. Number 1 could be relay T20 right here. Ours is missing, okay, right there. T20 guys, that's the relay. And another one, it could be, okay, for the transmission as well, T30, that huge relay right here for the transmission as well. If you have problems with the transmission, test these relays, replace them, see if that fixes the problem. I recommend to check actually the video about the transmission fuses and the power train fuses as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.